Hello guys, welcome to the CPT Markets Education channel. So this week is the last week for the April. So first of all, let's go back to see does any important economic data can influence for the market trends. Okay, let's see at like Tuesday, April 28th, we need to pay attention this one, USD Consumer Confidence. For Wednesday night, 8:30. First of all, we need to pay attention this one, USD Gross Domestic Product, which is GDP. Now we see the number, it's become maybe to the negative, but it's reasonable because the coronavirus explosion in the United States. So most people stay at home and the commercial activity almost shut down. So the GDP become to the negative is reasonable. Also for the oil, it's 10:30 USD EIA crude oil stock exchange. So as we know the number before, it's almost like the storage is already full. So it's no more new room for the new oil. And also in midnight 2 a.m. at Thursday, the federal government will do the interest rate decision. So as we know now, the federal government is almost to the bottom for the interest rate, 0 to 0.25%. It's almost zero. So possibly they may not going to like decrease interest rate again, become to the negative interest rate. So high percentage they will no change. So the market will pay attention. 30 minutes later, federal government press conference, which means the chairman of the federal government, Powell, will do the speech. So we need to pay attention what Powell says. So at Wednesday night, we need to pay attention. European Central Bank will do the interest rate decision at 7:45. European Central Bank interest rate decision. Also, the chairman of the European Central Bank will do the speech. So now we see in the European Central Bank is already negative interest rate. Are they going to continue do the interest rate cut or no change? So this is the point we need to watch out. Also at 8:30, we need to see the United States initial jobs climbed, and now lots of people lost their job, and we see the number, it's increased or decreased. We can see how many people they lose the job and they apply the jobless climbed. So this is very important for calculating for the next week for the unemployment rate. Also at 9:45, the United States Chicago Purchasing Management. So this economic data is very important. So at Friday night, we need to pay attention this one, United States ISM Manufacturing PMI. So we see the United States economic data right now is almost decreased for most of the economic data. So it's reasonable because the coronavirus. So also one thing we need mentioned at Friday. So some European countries and Asia countries, their Labor Day, the market were closed. So such as Germany, France, Italy, Spain, China, Korea, and Russia, they will do the market closed. But however, United States, they are not in the list, which means they will continue open the market at Friday. So this we need to pay attention. So this is almost like important economic data for in this week. So for the just a second. Okay. For the technical analysis, now the market trends is going flat. It's very difficult to find a chance to do the trade. But however, you can do the very short trade or daily trade for the personal hobby. But for the short, midterm or long-term trade, now I cannot find any opportunity. So the best chance, we need to wait and be patient. Okay, so this is almost for this video. And I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.